Hey everyone, it's Kim, the homeschooling Grammy. And if you want to see what is in this box, stick around and I will show you. So, I was inspired. I was inspired by somebody in YouTube land, and I love her channel. She is absolutely adorable. She's so sweet. She's so kind. Her name is NonnaGrace, and if you haven't checked her out, you need to go over and give her a look-see. I'm going to leave a link to her channel in my description box down below. So, she jump ropes, and I thought, that is such a good idea. Like, it really is. I used to love to jump rope when I was a kid. It was one of my favorite things to do at recess. There would be tons of us girls, and that's what we would do. I don't know, do kids even jump rope anymore? I don't know. So, you know, I can't just do normal jump roping. That would be, you know, that wouldn't be me. So I was searching because I wanted it to be reasonable. Because I'm not exactly, you know, floating in money. So I just had the intention of buying just like a regular old jump rope. And then I saw this and I couldn't help myself. It is called Multi-Fun Electronic Skipping Rope. Like, seriously, how fun is this? So listen to this. It will calculate the number of skips, the calories, and the duration that you're jumping. It has built-in professional ball bearing, it has a flexible adjustable length of rope, and a wire cable with protective PVC coating on it. So cool. And I am so excited to try this. So you can take a look. I don't even remember what color I got. So let's find out, because I don't know. Because I think that they had pink and I wanted pink. But it was going to take too long, and I'm not good at waiting. It was going to be like at the end of the month, and I wanted it in 2 days prime. I mean, you know, if you have your prime, you want it in 2 days. And so, I got white. So here it is. Here's the rope. It's like a, I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. Has a carrying case, which is kind of cool. Not that I'm going to be like, you know, taking my jump rope down the road. I can't see me doing that, but. And whatever these are, I guess I'll have to read the directions. And then the 2 handles. So here is the digital format on the front. And it has, so you put in your weight, and when I was reading the reviews, it said that the weight goes in, you know, kilograms, so you're going to have to do like, you know, put in your weight in pounds into an app or whatever to do it over to kilograms, but it keeps, so you put your weight in there, it has a timer, how many jumps and how many calories that you are burning. How fun is that? Because I'm always looking for something to do. I'm stuck inside all the time. And it's easy to become a couch potato. Not that I would do that, but I do. So yeah, it's really, really cool. So, you know, it gives you the instruction manual and whatever. So, what I guess I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this video. This may not take place for a day or two, but I'm going to show you how it works. You got to promise me though. No laughing. Don't laugh at this old grandmother as she jumps rope. I saw NonnaGrace do it. She does it with style. I might not do it with style. I might fall on my face. Just letting you know. Anyways, so stick around. And when I get this all put together and turned on, and I'm jumping my little heart out, I will show you how it works. So I'm going to trust Bruce to record me. So this could be interesting. So you can see, like, I have all my information all in there and ready to go. Like, so what I did just for this, I put in like 100 jumps and
5 minutes, which I'm not going to jump rope for you for 5 minutes. And I put in my weights. And hopefully I'm not going to fall on my face. I was practicing before already. Wasn't I, honey?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so he's going to hold on to this, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Y'all ready? Bruce is over there grinning. Okay, so if I screw up, I'm starting over. You're not going to notice. You won't be able to see it. Ready? Go. There you go. All right. It works. As you see, I had to take my vest off because I had to practice a few times and I still missed. So, anyways, you will see that it says that I burned a whole whopping 2 calories. And how many? What? Like 12 seconds is all I jumped for because I missed and 17 jumps. Let me see. Let me turn the light on. Light on. On. Here we go. So there you go. It's really fun. I'm excited to do this. I look like a big goofball. I'm not gonna like looking at myself, but at least you'll know that this is fun and it works. And yeah. Bruce, you want to join me?
No.
No. I didn't think you would. All right, y'all. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.